In IELTS writing, if you want to score band 7 or above, you need to understand the criteria on the basis of which your exam is marked. So there are 4 criteria, and if students know these criteria, they can easily get good grades. But on the other hand, if you are not clear about the criteria, if you don't know the requirements of the exam, you will not get a good score. So for instance, the first criteria that you need to understand is that task response. So task response means how will you understand the question and how will you answer the question. So for example, if you go off topic, if you don't answer the question, it will not get you a good grade. So most of the time in exam preparation centers, you are told by your teachers that you need to paraphrase the question. So this is not a good strategy, because if you paraphrase the question, you are not showing off your language to the examiner, and these are language exams. So instead of paraphrasing the questions, there are other simple and easy techniques which can enable you to score high in your IELTS writing task 2. Then the second element that you should be aware of is coherence and cohesion. Coherence means how will you organize your sentences, yes? Like how you connect one idea with another idea, how you connect your introduction with your body paragraphs, and how you connect your body paragraphs with your conclusion. And also, cohesion means how you connect your ideas through words, through phrases, through language. So this is another aspect that the examiners look for in your IELTS writing exam. Similarly, the examiner is also looking for lexical resource, and lexical resource is not difficult. Another name for the word lexical resource is your vocabulary. Now in IELTS writing, you need to use academic words. Like there is a big difference between using informal words, which we use in spoken English, and formal words, academic words, which we use in writing. So this is another area where the examiner marks you, and you get scored for your IELTS writing. And finally, the examiner is also looking for your grammar range and accuracy. Grammar range means that you need to use different types of tenses, you need to use different types of grammatical structures, so that you convince the examiner that you are a very good language user. If you want to save your time and money, and you want to achieve your target IELTS band score, you can visit us and you can pass your exam within a short span of time. Thank you.